Conclusion na po tayo nung saging na, I think that's lakatan, kung di ako nagkakamali. So, yung saging na lakatan, what we did was we paired it with the Skippy peanut butter, yung no sugar, no salt added. The same thing that we did dun sa nilagang saba, no? So, kung maaalala nyo po, I think that was a month or probably a couple of months ago, nag-try na rin po tayo na itong saging na lakatan. So, nung tinry po natin si saging na lakatan, no? So, ito po yung naging itsura ng blood sugar spike po niya. We started at 109. First hour, umakyat po ng 163. Second hour, bumaba din naman po siya, 128. Tapos, a couple of days ago, I mean, today, tinry ko naman po yung the same, almost the same size, almost the same weight nung lakatan. But this time, sinamahan po natin siya ng Skippy peanut butter. So ito po yung naging resulta. 104 po yung start ng blood sugar po natin, which is yung baseline. First hour, umakyat po ng 159. Second hour, bumaba na po siya ng 119. Hindi naman po niya inabot yung 104 na baseline. Pero bumaba pa rin po siya. So pag tiningnan po natin yung blood sugar spike po niya no, on the second hour, si without peanut butter, plus 19 po siya compared to the baseline blood sugar. Si with peanut butter, plus 15. So, meron pong improvement. 4 units po yung improvement na yan. Pero, I don't think that's significant. So, again, no, yung sinasabi ko po na threshold na 140 on the second hour, that's for a full meal. So, kung hindi po siya full meal, 120, 125, that's a good number. So, yung without peanut butter, 128, I don't think that's recommendable. Pero si with peanut butter, 119, that's something that we can consider. Kaya lang, no? Palagi po tayo may kaya lang. So, kung hindi nyo na po siya sasamahan ng ibang pagkain, that's very good. Wala pong problema dyan. Pero kung magkakakain po kayo ng high carbs, tapos gagawin nyo pong dessert to, hindi po siya po pwede. Definitely magte-trigger po ng high blood sugar spike po yan. Siguro the same with dates po, no? Kung let's say kumain po kayo ng low carbs na pagkain, high in protein, high in fats, high in tapos gagamitin niyo po to as dessert. I think it's safe. Pwede po siya at 119 na blood sugar spike on the second hour, magiging safe po siya. So yun lang po for this experiment. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.